Hello and welcome. My name is Jaffer and I am an Arabic language tutor for non-native speakers. I help students from all over the world learn Arabic in a simple, clear and engaging way. Whether you are an absolute beginner or someone who already knows a bit of Arabic, I will guide you step by step to improve your speaking, reading, listening and writing. My lessons are not boring or full of heavy grammar. Instead, we focus on real conversation, useful vocabulary and practical Arabic that you can actually use in daily life. Why you should learn Arabic with me? I personalize every lesson to your goals and level. I teach you in a friendly, patient way. You will start speaking confidently from the first session. I work with adults, kids and professionals, whether you want to learn Arabic for travel, work, school or just for fun. None previous experience is needed. All you need is the motivation and I will take care of the rest. So go ahead, book your trial lesson now and let's start your Arabic journey together. See you soon.